family, and all that are new to my channel, welcome. So as you all know, if you follow me on my Instagram at Rawsueshii and my TikTok at Rawsueshii Official, I have recently come up with a new book, you guys. Yes, I'm so excited about it. It's called Warm Up and Sketch, a How to Draw Reference Guide. This is my first ever How to Draw Reference Guide book, and this is the Faces edition. And I created this because I knew I needed something to help me to warm up before I, do an actual piece, or just to create something for beginner artists and all artists who just want to practice drawing faces more and just want to learn and retain information. So this is like the perfect little study guide book for when it comes to drawing faces. And when you open the book, I also have QR codes, you guys. Yes, I have QR codes that will lead you to two video tutorials, and it'll also lead you to Procreate face stamps and brushes, you guys, and it also leads you to reference boards for your study needs. So I'm so excited about this book. I feel like it's going to help a lot of people, and if you do get this book, I hope it helps you with your art journey. So yeah, you guys, I'm excited to be showing you all a little bit of my process of me drawing in this book today. I have so many different reference pages and just little things in here where I draw and everything like that, and I'm just excited to share it with you. I have male and female face stamp examples in here, so it's a lot to really get accustomed to. And even in the back, I have body guides for you to practice drawing clothes. So yeah, I'm just so excited about this book, and I guess I'll just talk more about it once we get into the actual video. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm excited to share with you all my sketch process and my warm and sketch book. I'm so excited about this book, you guys, and it's funny because I think it was like a couple weeks ago or a week ago, I was feeling like rusty. Like I was just like, oh my gosh, I feel like my sketches aren't coming out confidently, and I feel like I need to warm up and everything before I sketch. And I know you guys, if you follow me on this channel for a while, I love to warm up before I actually get into a drawing and drawing a project. And warming up helps a lot with just you basically getting into just that groove and just that flow of drawing traditionally or digitally too. So I really like this because I actually used it a couple of weeks ago or a week ago, and I just did what I did right here. And after I did this for a few and I just warmed up, getting my hands used to the paper and just getting into the groove of it, it helped me so much when drawing an actual project. And what's cool about this book is you can use it for more than just warming up. You can practice drawing different hairstyles, or drawing accessories, or drawing your own style, drawing your own characters. The possibilities are literally endless. And if you have Procreate, you also get free brushes with this book and my free face stamps, the whole complete face stamp set that I created for male and females. You get that whole set with this book with the QR codes included. So that's super exciting. And I also include 2 free video tutorials, which is how to draw angles for female, and I have a how to draw boys tutorial in this book. So I know you guys will be so excited about that, because I know one of the 2 biggest things that I know that a lot of you needed help with was drawing different face angles and how to draw boys. So I put those 2 tutorials in the book to kind of help you guys, and I know for sure it'll help you to retain information when using the guides in this book, and when you practice drawing with them. So yeah, you guys, I am like super excited to just hear everyone's reviews and what you all think of the book. And I'm really excited about it. And make sure you guys share this video with somebody you think would this will be helpful for. And if it's helpful for you, then let me know. If you do get this book, make sure to hashtag Rawsueshii or just at me on social media, so I can repost and I can just see how you like it. So I'm really excited about it, you guys. And yeah, I don't think I have much more to say, but I do know that oh my gosh, you guys, I had so much fun creating the book. And it's funny how some people were asking, did you make the book? And I'm like, yes, I did. I drew everything by hand. I drew the what is it, the face stamps. I drew the guides for it, and, you know, just the breakdown of it all. I did all the different angles, everything hand drawn by me. So yeah, you guys, I put in some work for this, and really happy about how it turned out. And I'm really happy and excited for the fact that it can help you all, and it'll be able to help you all learn and to improve in your art skills and your art journey. And in the back of the book, I also have body guides as well that I created for my Patreon initially, for, you know, how to draw clothes tutorial. So I drew these body guides so you can practice drawing clothes with them. So yeah, you guys, I really am excited about it and can't wait for you all to try it out. Make sure to check out the links down in the description below. And yeah, y'all, you guys go ahead and enjoy watching the rest of this video and enjoy the chill music to go along with it. Oh, I actually had a couple more things that I wanted to mention. So I actually filmed this video vertically, like for TikTok and stuff, and I had to zoom into each part, so that's why the quality is a little low for it. So I apologize for that, you guys, but I'm just happy I was able to make this work out, because I didn't really want to post the video vertically, because I just feel like it's better for, you know, a normal YouTube video when it's horizontal. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. And another thing is, I saw somebody had asked the question, is this book good for, you know, if I don't know how to draw at all? And yes, it is, because I have 2 tutorials, video tutorials included, and they're all in real time, teaching you how to draw boys and how to draw face angles for girls. So it's perfect for if you don't even know how to draw at all, and if you're a beginner, it'll definitely help. And it's gonna really just help you to just get used to the structure of drawing a face with these guides. It'll just really just kind of help your mind just have that muscle memory of kind of where to put these features the more you practice with it. And yeah, I'm really excited about that. And of course, you know, with the face stamps included for Procreate, you can put the face stamps in your iPad or whatever digital program that you're using. Well, Procreate, because I only have it for Procreate. Sorry for all the other art programs, but if you don't have Procreate, that doesn't mean you can't still use this book, because you can also use the video tutorials and use the book for the guides. And yeah, so you don't have to have Procreate in order to get this book. Those are just 2 of the things that I have for Procreate in the book, which is the brushes and the stamps. So you can still get the book if you don't have Procreate. So just letting you know that, because you have video tutorials in the book. There's also reference boards and a bunch of pages for you to practice on. So yes, you can still get this book if you don't have Procreate, just letting you know. But yeah, you guys, I'm just really happy about, you know, how it turned out, and I'm so happy that I took my time with it, and just got it done for you guys. And yeah, so that's all I really wanted to say. This book is great for beginners and any artist who just wants something to help them warm up and to get into the groove and get out of an art block, whatever it may be that you need help with. I think this book is great for that. And you know, yeah, you guys, I'm so thankful to have you all as my supporters. Thank you all so much for, you know, just being along with me on this journey and all of the other things that I have going on for me. I'm so thankful for you guys. And one more thing before I go, if you all are interested in monthly tutorials, behind the scenes, rewards, and more, go ahead and check out my Patreon at patreon.com/Rawsueshii. And yeah, you guys, I post exclusive content and other things there if you're interested. But yeah, y'all, make sure to check out the links below for this book, and I will see you all at the end of the video. guys, so that was the video of me just sketching in on my new book, you guys. I'm so excited about this book, and I really hope that you all enjoyed the video, and I also hope it inspires you if you do get this book to just really get into that groove. And yeah, it's just amazing because it definitely helps you to warm up whenever you're feeling rusty. So yeah, you guys, the version of this book is actually available on Amazon, and I also have a spiral bound book that's on my store, which, you know, will make it a lot easier when you're like drawing in the corners. As you see, I didn't really draw over there because it's a little close over there, but that's okay. I have the spiral bound book on my website if you all would like that one, but I also have the Amazon version available as well, so check those links out in the description below. And also, I know you probably saw these books in the beginning too. These books are available on my website. I do have a couple of these available on Amazon as well, but I'll just leave the links below for you all. But yeah, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video on my new warm up and sketchbook. And yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to see all of your reviews, and you know, when you all let me know what you guys think, and let me know down in the comments below, what do you think of the book, and would you want to get this book? And share this video, like this video with anybody who would find this helpful, and make sure to follow me on @Rawsueshii on Instagram and @Rawsueshii Official on TikTok, you guys. I cannot wait to share so much more with you all and to just come out with more things that could be helpful for you all. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves.